Okay, here we go. Customizing our start page. Yeah, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to right click on the start button and we're going to open that to properties. Okay, and click on properties. And then what we're going to do, this opens automatically the start menu. You'll notice that display recently opened programs in the start menu is unchecked, as is the next one also. This just keeps a whole list of everything that you've opened, and it gets, oh my God, that list gets to be so long. So I don't want to see it. I don't need it. All right, let's customize. All right, computer, let's display this as a menu. That will give you all your drives on as a menu. Connect to, maybe you might want to have that on your start page. I don't need it. I can go down to it's on your taskbar. Control panel, I have it displayed as a menu. Default programs is displayed. Devices and printers, of course, would be displayed. Documents, display those as a menu. Downloads, okay, whatever you've downloaded, you can find it instantly. Display it as a menu. Uh, Enable your context menus, dragging and dropping. Games, if you have a ton of games, like I know a lot of people do, you'll want to display that as a link, not as a menu. I don't have any games on this computer. I deleted them, saving tons of memory for me. If I want games, I know where to go. I have my own website where I have over thousands of online, not downloadable, click and play programs that I can play. Help, yes, okay. Highlight newly installed programs. If you've got a newly installed program, it'll show up highlighted, and that's a big help. This is Windows 7, by the way, but this particular process is applicable to both XP and Vista. There's been absolutely no change here. All right, so we've got, I don't display music. Network, I don't need that. That's on my taskbar. If you got it on your taskbar, why have it on the start page? It's redundant. Personal folder, that's this one here. Let me show you. Okay, personal folder is, oh, okay, let's show you again. That's this one right here. All right, and you'll notice that I have it showed up as a menu. Okay, back to right click, properties. There we go. So we're back. Now, where we start, personal folder. Okay, so now you know where the personal folder is and what it looks like. Pictures, I have it displayed as a link because I have a ton of pictures. And I imagine you would too. But you can display it as a menu. You're going to get an awful long list. So it's easy just to go into the folder and look for the picture that you're looking for. Recent items. I don't display recent items, so I've already talked about that. Recorded TV. I don't display that item. You might want to display it as a link. If you have any recorded TV shows that you save to your computer. The run command, I don't have that there because that's redundant. Let's press the Windows key and the R key, and here's where the run command is. All right, so that's redundancy, and I don't go for redundancy, so I don't display it at all. All right, now what's next? Search. Search with your public folders open. You'll search in there. Search your programs and control panel. Search all of those. Sort all program menus by name. And what that does is it means all your programs are in alphabetical order. System administrative tools, you might want to display it only on the all programs menu, but I have it on the all programs and start menu. I like to use large icons. You might not. If you don't, boom, just uncheck it. Okay. Videos, again, if you have a ton of videos, you want to display that just as a link. But if you haven't got that many, maybe you want to display it as a menu. Me, I don't save videos. I have a YouTube account for that, so I don't display that at all. And here again, we have a number of recent programs to display. That means anything that you open, whether it's your email or LiveWriter or whatever the heck it is that you, Foxfire or Internet Explorer, whatever it is you've opened, it'll be on that list on the left on your start page, and that list gets populated with a long list. So I tend not to do that. So I've got everything down to 0. Um, Now that's how you customize your start page. Now let's open the start page, and we can do that. Okay, apply and okay. Okay, I'm using, this is Screencast-O-Matic that I'm using to make this particular video. Let me show you the address. Okay, there it is. If you want to create your own videos. This is free, by the way. Alright, so now I'm going to press the Windows key. That's that second key from the left. You'll have the control, and then you'll have a Windows key, and there's also a Windows key on the right, but it happens to be the third from the right. Okay, so second from the left, third from the right. It's a 4 square key, and you just push that down, press it, I should say. Alright, so now this is your personal folder, and that's where you're going to find your menu. This is my menu. I don't have any documents saved. Okay, and I don't have pictures and downloads. These are the downloads: Avast antivirus free, CCleaner free, a subject of one of my YouTube video tutorials, FLB Player, QuickTime Installer, Second Life, Shockwave, Silverlight, Spybot, and Spyware Blaster, 2 anti-spyware freebies. You'll notice that my computer opens up, and here we go with the C and the D drive. Here's the control panel. Now watch this open up. Come on. There we go. Alright, and it opens up as a menu. And device and printers and default programs, no, and administrative tools. Now you can get into all kinds of stuff in here. Alright, so that ends this tutorial on customizing our start page. I hope you learned something, and will make your online time and computer use that much more efficient.